Hi. Hi, everyone. Hello. My name's Amanda. This is my 1998 Harley Sportster, and just wanted to have you guys follow along while I turn this thing into a chopper. Let's go. It's gonna be my first build. Picked up this 98 Sportster. It's had some stuff, but it's still very stock. It's got the shocks, the original frame. It's got new, I don't know what number over these are, but it's got its forks done. It's had a tank swap, but this will be going away. So, been sort of slow to start this build, been scheming on it for a while. Ordered the hardtail kit a couple of years ago on a Black Friday sale, it's pretty sweet. Been sitting on that, but using this frame and the motor as the base, trying to think about how to build this into more than just like, here's the same kit everyone does. How can I make it a little bit more unique? How do you make it more custom? Is it switching out the oil bag? Is it adding some more details to the frame? Like, will we update this a little bit, change the neck? We'll see. And I want to do most of it myself. The only thing really that I cannot and won't do is the welding of the frame, because that's the integrity of the whole bike. I think we'll definitely want to, or I'm gonna want to do a chain conversion, and a kickstart is something that I've been thinking about. But for the starting point, yeah, this motor needs to be rebuilt. First things first is let's get this bike stripped down. Let's go. Let's get busy. This is good we're doing this now because I can sell some parts. Like swap. Yeah. I can't get the seat off, so.
You know. It hooks in at the front, so you just pull it towards you and lift it. I kind of wiggle it. Yeah.
There it goes.
Hooks in like
I knew that.
What brand seat is that?
What?
I mean, I wanted to, but now that I spent $500 on the one that's on my Sportster, I don't.
Day one, got a pretty good dent breaking down the bike out of the way. Lucky to have the help of my friend Audrey and her husband Jason over to help tear down the bike. We drained all the fluids, got the forks pulled off, gave the lowers to Jason to grind them down. Then I got a motor sand to put this bad boy on so we can get this frame over to my friend and get the hardtail going. Tomorrow we are off to the swap to sell all the pieces, the exhaust, the seat, all the old the light, everything. Try and get some money to get that kit so we can start that rebuild on the motor. All right, let's go.